Hi dear friends, I am making a bucket hat and I want to show you how am I going to add a design before I finish it. I want to embroider a ladybug. In the description on where to get the design is going to be in the description box. It's from Lisa and you can get it from Embrilliance. So first we are going to add our stabilizer. And I'm going to be using the cutaway. I'm also going to be using my 4x4 hook. So, I have my hook ready. And I want my ladybug. Let's see if I can get this. There you go. So I got the ladybug somewhere right here. Right, so I'm going to place this here, and it's not very light. Important. Where is it gonna go? It's a ladybug. It's going to be moving. It can be moving everywhere. It doesn't necessarily has to be still. So I'm just gonna set it right there, and I'm going to add some adhesive. If you want to add pins, you can. I don't expect this to move, but let's just add some pins just to be sure. Okay, so let's see where my design is going to be, and we can go from there. Okay dear friends, it's done. That's all I wanted to show you. If you would like me to make an entire tutorial on how I make the entire bucket hat, please let me know in the comments. Until next time, thank you.